Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for a very special collaboration. Nathan asked me to be a part of this collaboration, and I was very honored to say yes because my father and my grandfather were in the Army. So when he asked me to be a part of this collaboration, I had to say yes. There was no way I couldn't. So I'm very, very happy to be a part of this. So my colors I've chosen are the Army colors. And after a little bit of research, the Army colors are not always just black and green, and there's some white and gold in there. It's kind of cool. So I learned a lot in the research process of this. But anyways, let's get down the canvas. It's going to be a little quick video. I'm just doing a little 14-inch round canvas. All right, let's be right back. All right, everyone. So I am going to so I already did my pour for this collab, and this is it. But I'm not real crazy about it because it just got a little too messy and the gold got a little crazy. So I'm going to re-pour over top of this. So this is a 14-inch round, got from Michael's Artist Loft. So the colors I'm going to go with in my Army camouflage kind of color scheme is I'm going to go with Precious Gold from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. This is a mixture of a little bit of olive green from Amsterdam with some black and a little bit of white to get that mustardy green color. And then this is a really, really deep green. So I used like a phthalo green, and I used a sap green and a little bit of black. So that's what I'm gonna use for my colors. I'm also going to just put down black because with this Chaos Ribbon swipes, you need something on the canvas that's going to allow the other colors to float around. And then I'm going to swipe with my Australian Floetrol and titanium white cell activator. My cell activator is mixed 3-to-1, 3 parts of Australian Floetrol to 1 part of paint. The paints themselves are mixed about 2 ounces of gloss medium paint and then just a little bit of water to thin them out. All right, so let's get started here. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna throw out some black here. Just give that a little spin to spread it. And then I'm just gonna ribbon these colors out. So this is my green. So the Army is something that kind of runs in my family. My grandfather, my father's father was in the Army, and my father, don't know how long they were actually in the Army though, because they were both, well, I'd never even met my grandfather. But my dad was actually out of the Army before I was born. My father passed away of cancer in 2006. So, okay. And this is that lighter green. And then maybe I'll just do some dribbles of black over top of it. We can come in again. Don't think I'm going to do any more of the gold. I think I got enough paint on there. So now what I'll do is I'll take my Fluid Art Co. number 15. I love this palette knife. It's just the perfect little size. So I'm just gonna put my white cell activator on the back of here, and I'm just gonna swipe through the bottom, and then I'm gonna come back around this side and swipe through the bottom again. So basically the entire thing is gonna get created with cells. All right, so all I do is I just take my bottle of my cell activator and I squirt it onto the back. And just let it run over, like so. And I let it run into the cup. Over here, start on my edge. And swipe through. There you go, just like that. And then I'm starting here at the bottom. And what I do is I just kind of spread what's left along here. Give it a little bit of torch. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what happens when we start to turn and spin. Pretty cool. Try it again. Oh yeah, it's opening up really nice. Just got this one little section over here. Let's see if I can maybe help it by adding some paint. Let's go again. Nice. All right. Gonna leave that there. We're gonna touch up my sides. Beautiful. Now we're talking. So glad I redid this. Just gonna clean things up. Then I'll bring it down so you can see it. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. This is a much better piece. I love the color scheme. Everything looks a little more uniform now, but check out the coloring. Just beautiful. All right, here we are with the dried result. This is great. I was able to keep all the colors nice and bright and vibrant. The white cell activator really brought in some of the white. Perfect. Just love this a lot. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's piece. So this dried really wonderful. I put 2 coats of gloss varnish on it. So it dried really nice. It's got a great shine. I'm loving this so much. I actually have a little Army Depot down by my house. So I'm gonna go down there and see if they'll take that from me. Donation, of course. And I'm very happy I was part of this collaboration. Thank you so much, Nathan, for inviting me to be a part of this. So next up is Cassie with Epiphany Creations. So let's head over to her channel. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my Wednesday's video. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.